I have finally added a crouch system to the horror game kit after I think at least 100 requests from you guys. Let's waste no time and get right into the tutorial. But before anything, if you guys like this type of content, please be sure to like and subscribe as it really helps out the channel. Anyways, let's get into the video. Alright, so we're in studio and there's a few new things added to the kit. The first thing I added is this wall with 2 holes cut out of it. You don't need this, I just made it so I can showcase the actual crouch to you guys. The next thing I added was inside of the starter UI, there is a new crouch script. Make sure you add this to starter UI because this is what controls the entire crouch system. Inside of the crouch script is something called a crouch animation. This is the animation that's going to play while you're crouched. So change this to your guys' own animation. It's not going to work if you try to use my animation. So just make sure that everything is where it's supposed to be and everything should work. And now I'm going to go ahead and showcase the crouch system so you guys can see what it looks like. And there you have it, your very own crouch system in Roblox Studio. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns regarding today's tutorial or the kit, please join my Discord server linked in the description. We have great staff that tries to help you out with any problems that you may have. I hope you guys enjoyed, chase your dreams, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.